USTD, Shavyfxhub. So that's support become resistance and breaker structure. And is SR resistance becomes support and support become resistance, and RT slash SR 1, 2, breaker structure, retest. Slash RS. Breaker structure, RT slash SR. New demand floor. Yes, that's a new demand floor now. And if you clone that structure, you got another demand floor. So I'll be very objective about that. So let's work on timing, trying to round up in 5 minutes. That's a demand floor. That's a demand floor. That's good. And to put into perspective, you see you have an ascending trend line here with 2 touches. So let's see if the trend is up head. So we'll have SR1, support become resistance and breaker structure. SR2, SR3, SR4. And we'll have this as an ascending trend line. But one thing worthy of note is Can see how that reaction. So we need a breakout from that structure, a sustained breakout from that structure. Is a weak is this is technically weak, but if you look at it on a lower time frame, like 4 hours, it's way more symbolic. And do not forget that we have kept a trend angle, a very strong trend angle, and that makes him a supply roof. That supply roof have maintained a designated angle, and that angle we clone it on many occasions, and the result is the same. The result is the same. We have here as RS resistance becomes support on daily, and remember this strategy. I talked about it: daily candle close, weekly candle close. I mean, nothing works 100% in trading. At one point they are working, at another point they stop working. This structure is got by cloning this structure from the floor. We clone our demand floor on candle close to get our supply roof. You can see exactly that sell structure, and it provided a sell trade here for free. This is a free sell trade, a very few straight trade. And shortly after that, market broke out, returned, but got stopped by an ascending trend line. And the ascending trend line had double confluence. You have here a horizontal um, broken resistance structure become now a demand floor. And I want to change the color to black, and you have seen that buyers have leveraged on that price action at that level, and they turned that broken ROS level 1, and we'll have another RS again, RS level 2, break up to RS level. That's a horizontal support structure, horizontal support floor, and they turn that horizontal support floor to RT slash SR, and you have seen that they leverage on that, and you've seen buying continue. So I think in the future you want to see how they treat that level, and it remains an area to watch. So right now, be very. I will tell you for free, there is no trade for BTC at the moment. The market is uh, the market is cooling off from that heavy buy. It bought and it sold back. So when I tell you trading is probability, you believe me now that you're on trade, you're on probability scale. So it gave and it took back, and but one thing you must see again on from the line chart is a clear breakout from a support structure. So please don't ignore this. This is a valid price action, very valid, and you have seen what it did there after breakout structure. Price came back, retested it, and continued sell. And when I look from the upside, I don't like this the trade for BTC right now, and I'm gonna tell you the truth. Right now, I'm not liking it on daily time frame. So you need to be patient. Allow market, you know, some crazy stuffs. So on daily time frame, you can see, of course, the market come back here for a buy, but it's being rejected by a sell. So look at this structure, please. Pay critical attention to this structure. I want to change the color to blue. I'm going to change the structure to blue. On daily time frame, they are both fighting with each other. You can see it here. There's a rejection at the roof and there is a support at the floor. So it's giving you a support at the floor and it's giving you a rejection at the roof. So the market has to break out from this structure. So you need to be patient. You don't trade all the time. As a hunter, allow this market. If it breaks and return here, then you go long. If the market returns here, you go long. Yes. So you need to allow it to return here so you can go long. Okay. Then if it breaks out from the ascending trend line, then you retest a breakout from an ascending trend line and return here 1117. And in a more extreme case, price can come down to this level, 100 level. So Shavyfxhub, wish you bye bye.